Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy. So when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.